Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding the performance difference between Haskell and Python with Read. Introduction. Haskell and Python are two popular programming languages with distinct characteristics. Haskell is a statically typed, pure functional language known for its strong type system and efficient code, while Python is a dynamically typed, high-level scripting language that emphasizes readability and ease of use. In this tutorial, we will explore the performance difference between Haskell and Python, specifically focusing on the read function in Haskell and its Python equivalent, and provide code examples to illustrate the differences. In Haskell, the read function is used to parse a string and convert it into a specified data type. It is the opposite of the show function, which converts a data type into a string. The read function's signature looks like this. A represents the desired data type that the string should be converted to, and read is a type class constraint, ensuring that the data type can be read from a string. Let's consider a simple example of using the read function to parse an integer from a string. This program reads a string from the user, attempts to convert it into an integer using read, and then displays the result. In Python, the equivalent operation can be performed using the input function and the type casting capabilities of Python. Here's a Python example that accomplishes the same task. In Python, we use the input function to read a string from the user, and then we use the int function to attempt to convert it into an integer. To compare the performance of Haskell and Python when using the read function, we can create a simple benchmarking test. We will measure the time it takes for each program to parse a large number of integers from a file and calculate their sum. You can generate the numbers.txt file with a large number of integers, example 1 integer per line, for testing. You can use a simple script to generate this file. Create the numbers.txt file using the provided Haskell or Python script. Run the Haskell and Python programs on the same machine. Measure and compare the execution times for parsing and summing the integers from the numbers.txt file. In this tutorial, we explored the read function in Haskell and its Python equivalent. We provided code examples to demonstrate their usage and then compared the performance of both languages using a benchmark test. Haskell's read function may be slower in such scenarios due to its strong type system and added type safety checks. Python, being dynamically typed, allows for more straightforward and potentially faster conversions of data from strings. Keep in mind that performance differences between programming languages can vary based on the specific use case and the optimization of the code. It's essential to choose the right tool for the job based on your project's requirements and performance considerations. ChatGPT.